Welcome to Simam's Corner. Welcome to Simam's Corner, guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make yellow corn akamu. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. So here's my dry yellow corn, guys. First of all, I'm going to start by washing the corn thoroughly. After that, we're going to soak this corn for at least 3 days before blending. So here's the corn after 3 days of soaking, guys. So what I did was every single day I changed the water that I used to soak the corn. This will help it reduce the corn from having a bad smell. Okay, so most times when you buy any akamu or pap, as you may call it, if it has a bad smell, it means the person that made it was managing water. So to prevent that, all you need to do is soak for 3 days, and every single day you change the water. So guys, I'm just going to wash this corn thoroughly after the 3rd day and then start blending. Enjoy the video, guys.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together.
So after blending, guys, I'm going to grab my chiffon material and wrap it over a big bowl so we can begin filtering the akamu. So what we are trying to do right now is to separate the akamu from the chaff. So we're just going to continue doing this until we achieve this. So once it looks chaffy like this, we're going to take it out. The one inside the bowl is the akamu. So guys, this is the outcome after filtering, guys. I'm also going to pour everything into the chiffon again so we can get rid of the water. After pouring the akamu into the chiffon, I'm going to tie the chiffon very tight so that it will allow the water come out easily. After that, I'm going to set it aside until every single water is done dripping out.
Hey, dare to fall to find out what to say.
It's time to unveil the result, guys. We're just going to unwrap the chiffon so you can see what the final result looks like. Here you go, guys. This is the finished product. This is what it looks like. Finally, we have our fresh looking yellow corn akamu. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cut it into little pieces for easy use. And I'll just go ahead and put them inside a Ziploc bag for easy use, and then transfer into a freezer so it doesn't go bad. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're watching on Facebook, please don't forget to follow my page. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my beautiful vlogs. If you found this video educative, please give me a thumb up. See you on my next video, guys. Bye. Welcome to Simam's Corner.